Hi friends, so today what we are going to do is we are going to draw a parrot. So let's see the supplies that we need. We need crayons, we need markers, we need half a sheet of paper, we need a pencil, an eraser. Okay, so I also have my whiteboard to practice draw on. If you don't have a whiteboard, you can use a scrap paper like you always do. Okay, so let's see how we draw this beautiful smart bird. Parrots are supposed to be the smartest, one of the smartest birds, and it seems they have very large brains along with large beaks. Okay, they can imitate voices and they can even use tools. So let's draw this beautiful bird. So today what we're going to do is we are going to place the paper in the portrait style. Okay, I'm going to draw so on the paper what we'll do is when we're using the paper, we are going to fold the paper like this to get find the middle. Okay, instead of drawing, then we have to erase it, right? And fold it this way to get a nice crease, to get the line, to know where to place the body. So I'm going to draw, and here if I fold the whiteboard, so I'm going to draw a line through the middle, so you will know where to place the head and different parts. Okay, so we are going to start from the top of the paper on this side next to this middle line. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a small rainbow. Got that? Okay, so from here to over here, I'm going to make a curve. A slide. It's like slightly curvy. It's like the back of the bird, so it doesn't have to be that curvy. Almost a straight line with a little curve. Okay, so till here. Now from here to here, I'm going to make a curvy line. This is going to be the tummy of the bird. Okay, so after we are done this much, we are going to draw the branch. So the branch, okay, so I have the branch. Now we are going to draw the tail. So the tail is hanging from the other side, so it should be in line with this line. See, continue like that, almost to the bottom of the paper, like that. Okay, so next we are going to draw the beak. So they have big beaks. Let me take a look. Okay, so maybe you can draw, I'll show 2 ways to draw the beak, like that. The upper beak and the lower beak it's open. Okay, and then they have like a thing around the beak like this. Okay, so that is one way to draw the beak. Another way to draw the beak, whichever way you want, you can do that. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a line here, a C, a small C, and continue like that. And then this is also a curvy line, but not as curvy as the upper line. Okay, so this one we are not showing maybe closed beak, right? So I'm just going to make it like it's closed. Here we can erase of this line. Okay, now we are going to draw the eye. So the eye over here like that, and then I'm going to make a curvy line like this, and then curvy line like that, and come like that. Okay, you can do it that way, or and then draw another circle around this. So you can draw it this way, or if you find it difficult to draw the V thing, you can just make a line like that, or you can make the line and then extend it like this. It's up to you. Okay, so next we are going to draw the wings. So what we'll do is we are going to make a, so this line is here, remember the line running through the middle? So over here, see how I'm extending it like that, and then the line like that. Then this is going downwards. It will be going a little bit on top of the, what is it called, the branch, and then it comes up like that. Okay, now we can erase this part also. You can have the like that. Okay, in case you want some hair sticking out of the parrot, you can do it this way. You can add more details, maybe a branch from here with leaves. I'm just adding more leaves. So that is the drawing part. Leaves part, it is easy, we can figure that out. Okay, so are you ready to draw the parrot? I think you guys are ready. I think I am also ready, because I'm not that good at drawing parrots. I think I learned how to draw a parrot today. So as I said, we are going to place the paper in the portrait style. I have already folded my paper. In case you haven't folded the paper vertically as well as horizontally, go ahead and fold it in the middle. Then take your pencil on the top over here, like 1 finger space. I'm leaving only 1 finger space. I'm going to, on this side of the line, that is where the head is going to come. So if you want, you can put it this way and make a C, or you can draw a rainbow this way. It's up to you. It is not too small, it is not too big. Okay, and then I'm going to draw the body. So the body, it starts from here. It's almost a straight line, but slightly curved a little bit to the bottom. And here, this is a curvy line. This is curved up like that. And then, so I connected this. Now, let's draw the branch. Okay, so the branch goes down like that, and then don't make it too thin, so it like 2 finger space for me. Maybe yours is like 3 fingers, because if it is too thin, the parrot won't be able to sit on it, right? Okay, so now we're going to draw a tail under the branch. So we are going to extend this thing. We're going to jump over, continue with the tail. We're going all the way down. Okay, I'm going to draw. So we have the tail. Now let's draw the beak. So the beak is over here. I'm going to draw a C. Curvy line like that, and then the lower beak. Okay, hit erase of this. Now let's draw the eyes. The eyes are over here. I'm going to draw a small circle around this. Right, and then from here we are going to make a C shape like that. If you want, you can make it go up like that. Okay, so we have the eyes done. Now what is next is we have to draw the wings. So the wings, so the here, right, just below the here, I'm going to, so this is the middle line. Can you see the middle line, the vertical line that we made? So this should be extending a bit through here. Okay, so till this fold, making a line like that. Okay, now here, this tail is extending from here down to the branch. And then you're going to go up like that. Okay, you can erase this part. Make it look like it is more natural. A little bit more thinner. Otherwise, it was looking like the wings are super big. Okay, so what is next is we are going to add the details, like the feathers. Okay. Here, I'm going to erase this, the branch here, the line here, the other two lines here. Okay. Okay. Then, oh, last time we forgot to draw the legs. So here. Okay. Maybe if you want your parrot, it's here like that, you can add that. Then let's add the branches and the leaves. So as many as you want, you can throw those leaves. Okay, I think I'm going to stop with these many leaves. I'm going to take my black marker and outline my parrot. So, because we are not using watercolor, you can use the black marker. Okay, so see how I'm outlining it, not one continuous line. Okay. I'm leaving one white spot. Draw the line around it. The branch. This branch. Okay, so we are done with the drawing part. I'm going to take my eraser and erase up all the extra, all the pencil lines there, okay, to get a nice clean. So now the coloring part. So the parrots, there are just green parrots. There are very colorful parrots like red parrots. So if you Google parrots, you can see a lot of parrots. Let me Google parrots and see the different, yeah, red and green and blue, blue and yellow. So many beautiful colors. So you can choose the colors that you want. I'm going to use red and blue and green for my parrot. Okay, so I'm going to take those colors, and this part is going to be white, this eye area, and the beak, maybe if you want, it can be light yellow or light gray. Actually, it is like a little grayish color. So I'm going to use my red, yellow, a little bit of yellow is there, blue and green. Okay, so just Google parrots and find, then there is, this is actually a macaw that I'm using coloring. Then there is, yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with red. If you want a yellow, blue, just the body is yellow and the wings are blue and green. Okay, you can do that. I'm going to draw the try to stay in the line. Okay, it went out a little bit. I think my red marker is the marker that I use the most, and then it is like trying out, maybe because I use this for all the classes, right? So just trying out. It's okay. I still have enough pigment. So the upper, this thing is also the tip of the tail a little bit red. Slightly blending. Okay, so beak. I'm going to make the beak. Should we go for gray for the beak or yellow for the beak? I'm not sure. I'm going to go for yellow. I think the lower part of the beak is gray. The upper part is, maybe we can put it yellow. Okay. The leaves. Color the leaves green. Okay. Now the branch. I'm putting it on the side and then coloring it. Okay, I'm going to take the crayon. Let me put the markers back first, because we are done using the markers. So let's put the markers back. Let's take the crayons. You can either use brown or you can use green. I'm going to use a dark green here to color the branch. So the branch should start from this end. Otherwise it will look like the thing is sitting on a cut off branch, right? So I'm going to put some brown also, because I don't like the way it turned out. Where is brown? I think I left more of white spots and it's like more of green. Okay, so that looks good. Now for the sky, what color do you want the sky to be? Blue, purple, green, whatever color you want, you can go ahead put on the for the sky. Okay, green I said because it's in a thick forest. If it's in a tropical forest, the background there will be lots of trees there, so it would look greenish, right? But if this parrot is sitting on top of a tree, very high on top of a tree, you'll be able to see the sky. So it's fine if you chose to use blue or any other sky color like a purple, pink, orange. I'm using blue so that my bird, the parrot, would stand out more. I don't want purple because red and purple won't stand out much, right? Because purple has red in it, right? So that's the reason I'm using blue for my sky. Okay, so here I missed a spot. I'm going to fill that in with my check for any part that you need to fill in. So this part is usually white, so I'm leaving it white. Okay, so with that we are done. If you would like me to comment on your finished work, you can email me. So till we meet next time, bye bye.